Unilabian. Mahalagang paalala, ang Emojis capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
I had an awareness of her identity as an Iloy woman, but I didn't really know what that meant or what Iloy culture was beyond maybe just very superficial like the dances or the costumes. And when she passed away in 2022, I was also doing my master's program at the University of Melbourne, and I wanted to reconnect with her. So I started to research more into Iloy culture, and I found the mummies, and I found that very interesting, and it sort of aligned with some of the work I was doing in cultural conservation. I was chatting to my Lola, and she said, "Oh, did you know that we actually had a woman in our family, my great-grandmother, so her great-grandmother, so my great-great-great-grandmother, and she began
Oh, boys, you want? You guys have